Hi friends, today we are going to see how we can assemble a very quick chatpata salad or bhel or whatever you can call it. It will be very interesting combination of whatever you can put together. जो भी आपके घर में हो उसी सामग्री से आप बना सकते हो. कुछ भी दाल हो या पका हुआ या फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स. ये फ्रूट वेजिटेबल चाट है. ओके अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि क्या क्या हमारे पास है. ये स्प्राउट्स हैं. ये स्प्राउट है, मूंग दाल का स्प्राउट है. ये ब्लैक ग्रेप्स है, फ्रेश ब्लैक ग्रेप्स सोना का, अभी सीज़न में है. ये जो है चेरी टमाटोज़ हैं, ऑर्डिनरी टमाटोज़. ये चेरी टमाटोज़ अभी मिल रहे हैं इसलिए हमने इसको शामिल कर लिया है. और ऑनियन आपके आई मीन इट इज़ एन ऑप्शनल थिंग. आपको अगर चाहे तो ऑनियन काट के डाल सकते हो या तो छोड़ सकते हो. ये नींबू का रस बाद में हम आखिर में उसको निचोड़ेंगे एक टेस्ट के लिए. ये है ड्राई रोस्टेड पीनट्स, शेंगदाना ड्राई रोस्टेड. और कच्चा पीनट्स है, रॉ पीनट्स, dry roasted peanuts, both we have used. And then you have some seeds of pumpkin and green seeds of pumpkin. And then you have dry grapes, dry kishmish, black kishmish and brown kishmish. And then you have some hari mirchi, green chilies cut finely chopped. And then you have you're going to go for the masalas that you're going to put. That is Mathura Chaat masala. That is a special item. And you have jeera, dry roasted jeera powder, and then salt to taste, and red chili powder to add that kick spice to the to your fruit chaat item. Now you're going to make it even more interesting, and you're going to have this aloo bhujia half a cup, and then you have all-in-one mixture half a cup. With this you need to assemble, and your fruit chaat is ready in no time. Very enjoyable, very tasty. Here is a big bowl in which we are going to mix in all the ingredients that we took. I have taken extra lime juice and chopped coriander. Chopped coriander also I have taken. Now let's start the process. Sprouts, moong ke sprouts, black grapes, sonaka. I've cut them in half because quantity will be more. Then the cherry tomatoes also I've chopped in half so that we get more quantity, more people get the tomatoes. And then you have the green coriander now, and raw finely chopped onions. Now you go with all your dry fruits and seeds, peanuts, roasted peanuts. I have added roasted peanuts to give that crunch, to give a little crunch while you are eating. That is the purpose for adding. And then you have your pumpkin seeds, white pumpkin seeds, green pumpkin seeds. So many nutritious things are going into this Jhatpat chaat, fruit vegetable chaat. And then all the nuts, dry grapes of two varieties. One is brown kismis and one is black kismis. Now you need to tip in all your masalas. The masalas that I had taken is red chili, green chili chopped, salt, jeera powder roasted, and then Mathura Chaat masala, which is special, and the remaining items, whichever is. Now you are going to add lime juice. Since this is a chaat item, we can add farsan or all-in-one mixture, half cup, 1 cup, whatever quantity you want to add. And then I love the taste of that Haldiram's Aloo Bhujia, and I'm going to add half a cup of that also, just to give it that minty flavor, make it more interesting. Now you're going to mix in everything together. Mix everything together nicely with two you can give it a quick mix and it's ready to serve. It's ready to serve. All the masalas are getting in,